In order to solve a radical equation, first we're going to have to isolate the radical by itself on one side of the equal sign. So we have to zero out the positive 2. So we're going to have to subtract 2 from both sides of the equal sign, and we're going to end up with the square root of 5x is equal to 10. And then next we're going to have to get rid of the radical. So in this case we're going to have to square both sides in order to get rid of the square root. So the square root and the square undo each other, so we end up with 5x is equal to 10 squared, which is 100, and then we divide by 5. So we end up with x is equal to 20. For radical equations, you do have to check your solutions because sometimes we end up with extraneous solutions, which are like false answers. Even though you do everything correctly, sometimes the answer is not going to work, and it's called an extraneous solution. So I'm going to multiply 5 times what my answer was, which was 20. Add 2, and it's supposed to equal to 12. So 5 times 20 is 100, but it's in the square root. So I need to take the square root of 100, which is 10, and then 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So 12 is equal to 12. That means that x is equal to 20 is the correct answer. So check your answers because you might get an extraneous solution.